Hey everyone, my name's Chuck, and I wanted to talk to you about what the New York Times calls the #1 fitness trend. Come on inside. All right, welcome inside. I first want to talk about these crazy times we live in and uncertainty. But now more than ever, it's a great time for change and take control back. If you're in a dead-end job or looking for a new lifelong skill or something extra to add to your current client business, no matter if you're a gym, personal trainer, massage therapist, chiropractor, this is it. We're offering the very best assisted stretching online certification training along with Stretch Business in a Box that will have you up and running in no time. Even if you're on a shoestring budget, you can go big and open up a retail location, or we show you how you can do this with no location and still triple your income with very, very little risk. Whether you want to be a solo operator with no employees or wanting others to run your business for you, we get you certified. We show you exactly how, step by step. You know why? Because we're in the trenches every day doing exactly what we preach. So come be part of something bigger. Just click on the Yes, I Want to Learn More button and enter your name and email, and I'll see you on the other side. Our next class is coming up fast, so don't delay.